Hi there, I'm Rowan from PanoTek. In this video, I would like to show you how it's possible to run a group of screens or projectors as a single large format display and be able to mix multiple inputs and content anywhere across the campus. Our DWC-900 series of display wall computers are high-spec PCs fitted with Matrox graphics technology for driving up to 9 video outputs as one seamless digital canvas. A key feature of all PanoTek display wall processors is the ability to capture directly connected video sources and networked IPTV streams for presentation on the canvas. To manage how your content and sources are visually arranged, the unit is provided with Matrox Mirror Control video wall management software. Mirror Control is an intuitive and feature-rich software application. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how simple it is to manage your content sources to create and apply multiple preset layouts. Before we demonstrate, let's have a closer look at the DWC-900 unit. As you can see, the system is enclosed in a stylish brushed aluminium cabinet. We've incorporated a whisper quiet cooling solution that allows it to be placed in an open office environment, including the boardroom, for example. The DWC-900 is offered in 4 standard configurations. The particular model that we're demonstrating here is the 964. The 964 is equipped with 6 video outputs at up to 4K resolution, 4 video inputs that can capture digital sources at also 4K resolution, 1 dedicated Ethernet port for hardware-based IPTV decoding, and all the usual ports you'd find on any PC, including, notably, integrated Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's have a look at the setup here in our showroom. Our demonstration setup consists of 6 video wall panels placed in portrait orientation. This forms a digital canvas with a resolution of 6,480 pixels across and 1920 pixels vertically. Each screen is individually connected to an output on the DWC-900. For this demonstration, we've got 2 locally stored assets, an image and a video file, an IPTV stream, a hardware captured input, a web dashboard, and a website. Now let's look at the software and see how we manage our sources and create a new layout. Okay, so now we're going to start with an empty canvas on the wall here. So we're going to launch Mirror Control software just by launching it from the desktop. Okay, so this is the start page. This is where we enter in the host name or the IP address to connect to the DWC-900. Okay, so now we're in the software. This is a physical representation of what the video wall is. And over on this side, there are all of our sources that we've put together. There are different types of layouts that we can have here, but firstly what we'll do is we're going to have a look at how to add a source. To do that, we click over here on Sources, hit the Settings button, and we want to add. So these are all your different source options that you have, and today we're going to add a movie file. VLC Bunny. And that's a VLC stream. Click OK. Now we need to point the URI to the directory of the movie file, which is in our content folder and Bunny. Okay. So now you see over on the left hand side here is our Bunny source. Now before we can add a source to the digital canvas, we need to add a window. We do that by clicking Windows and hitting Add, and dragging and dropping the content into the window container. Now let's just make that window slightly a bit bigger, half the video wall. Okay, so that's our first source. Now let's add another source. Sources, Settings, and Add. So this time let's add the PanoTek website. PanoTek web, we're going to use the HTML5 source. Okay, now we need to put in the URL of the website that we put down here. http www.panotech.com. So you've got your width and resolution here. Okay, so now we've got our PanoTek web source over here as well. So now we need to add another window. Drag and drop the web page in the window container. And as you can see up on the wall, we've now got our two sources. So we can move these sources anywhere that we like around the digital canvas by clicking and dragging the window across. So we can move that anywhere along the wall that we like, and we can change the different ratio as well. We can make it bigger or smaller. We can place it anywhere on the digital canvas. Okay, now let's go and look at some layouts. Okay, so now let's look at the layouts. A layout is an arrangement of windows that can be saved as a preset to be called upon later. The preview layout is the layout that you see at the bottom here, which is something that you can be working on, and the active layout is what you see up on the wall, and these can be switched between very easily. So let's switch between the multi-window here, which has already got some presets that we've put together here. So as you can see, it didn't change anything on the wall. For us to make this up onto the wall, we need to make it also our active layout. Okay, so this is a more complex layout. Up the top left here, we've got a static image. Underneath, we've got the movie file that we added before, which is playing the bunny. In the middle here is a hardware captured input coming from another PC. Our two IP streams at the bottom here, and the two web pages on the far right hand side, one with a web dashboard and our website. So I can switch between the layout that we had before very simply by just changing the active layout. Another way that we can switch between layouts is by using the iPad app. The iPad app is really simple and easy tool to use to switch between pre-configured layouts. To do this, we hit the properties, layouts, choose the source, and then we make it our current layout on the video wall. One of the other features that we can use on the iPad app is we can change between the sources, which it was in the containers here. Settings, source, and there you have it. And that's a simple, easy way to switch between sources using the iPad app. As you can see, Mirror Control is a simple and easy to use software for creating and recalling preset layouts. If you'd like a personal demonstration, please get in contact with us using the details below. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.